everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick DIY and how I made my goodie boxes for Layla's birthday theme Minnie Mouse. Let's get to it. For this Minnie Mouse theme goodie box, you will need gift boxes from the dollar store and this Valentine's candy card kit from the 99-cent store that I found, and I wanted to do this. And these I liked it because it came 3 in a box or 3 in a pack, so you get a lot of it of just $1. And I also liked that it had a rope, and the rope is kind of satin, and it's better than those the hanging wired ones or the ones that actually don't have anything. It's pink, and I did find a few of them blue for the boys, but I mainly wanted pink because I'm doing the Minnie Mouse theme in the pink for Layla's 2nd birthday. And the other thing that you're going to be needing, or that I'm going to be using, is number 2s with this sparkling paper that I cut from on my Cricut. And of course you will need hot glue and hot glue sticks, and I'll show you how it gets done. And it's really creative, and it's really original, and it's different. Let's get started to doing the goodie boxes. Okay, you see right here it has 8 cards, and it includes the lollipops as well, but I will include the lollipops inside of the box. So it included all of these, and you basically just like cut them out, or like just cut them out, and then you get your desired spot where you want them to be. You get your desired spot where you want them to be, and just hot glue them. I'm going to try to hot glue the little pieces here where the lollipop should have been, so they don't pop out and they look weird. We just hot glue. Try to see where the center is, and hot glue the bejesus out of it. Right here, I did use a red Sharpie. Is it red? No. I did use a pink Sharpie on the hearts to get rid of the to from kind of a thing, but that really doesn't matter because we're going to be putting a number 2 there. That's why I cut the Cricut on my Cricut number 2s in this sparkly paper, and I'm going to be using this number 2 and putting it right in the little heart where the to to from should have it's printed. So I'm going to put a little bit there because I don't want to burn my fingers, and I'm just going to place it right in the little heart that it's number 2, and it's kind of 3D-ish. It's kind of 3D. That pops out just a bit. True to you, just like that. And I was thinking that maybe right in here I could have printed a little label just for the middle, and then put Layla right in there. But that's basically what you do. You get your box, and you just place another Minnie Mouse just like this, and there you have it. This makes a really cheap goodie box. It makes it a different and unique goodie box that not everybody else is going to have, and you're gonna have a very themable goodie box, and it looks cute. Look at this. Look at Minnie Mouse. Obviously, if you're gonna do little boys or for Mickey Mouse, it also looks pretty cute with the blue. In the blue with the Mickey Mouse, but since I preferably had wanted more for all of them to be Minnie Mouse, but they're not all of them, so who cares? Disney is Disney, and we love it. Look at it. It looks pretty cute with the Mickey Mouse as well on the blue, or if it would have been a Donald Duck, it looks cute with the Donald Duck too, because that's the only 3 different characters that it has: Minnie, Mickey, and Donald. Yay! Right here for the bottom, where you see that all the little cards has a best pal, or they have Valentine's sweets, or true to you. Right here I added Layla's name, so I cut on a piece of like sticker paper for my Cricut. I wrote a little piece that fit just right about there, and then I wrote Layla. So right here I have it. I cut it from the bottom over here on my paper, and then I have it right here, and then I simply write Layla, and I kind of did it in cursive. Layla. And now it's not a Valentine's card. And right here how I did this year's Layla's Goodie boxes. Layla's Goodie boxes, of course, if you don't find the Disney Valentine candy card kit with the Minnie Mouse, you can obviously print out the little pictures of Minnie Mouse and simply glue it to the little boxes, and then you get a little personalized box all to your party. And yeah, there you have it. That is all that I have for you guys today for the personalized goodie box. It could be Disney theme or Minnie Mouse theme, like I'm doing mine. Very easy, very cheap, and very cute. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below which one is your favorite: Minnie Mouse side, Minnie Mouse front, Mickey Mouse, or Donald. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you try them and you find your Disney cards at the 99-cent store and your takeout boxes or gift boxes at the dollar store. There you go. I didn't spend them a lot and they look pretty cute. Hopefully you guys like it. Please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.